Mohammed Hussein.
Yeah, it's
Hello.
yes, hello. It's me, Hussein speaking.
Is it Mr. Hussein?
Hussein. Mr. Hussein. Yeah, I'm Mr. Hussein.
Speaking to Ramona, I'm calling in behalf of a company called Reclaim Your Game.
Yes, yeah.
Sure. I would just like to give you a free check and see whether there's a potential refund on your past or ongoing loans, and will help you in claiming any money back. It will take just a couple moments of your time, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Okay?
Yep.
Reclaim Your Game work on a no-win, no-fee basis with a win fee of 25% plus back, and they could help you reclaim thousands of funds from the PPI. So this entire process will not cost you a penny unless they are successfully in winning your case. Are you with me, ma'am?
Yeah.
Claim Your Game also offer a free consultation in the comfort of your home with one of their expert consultants in claiming back Mr. PPI. Who do you have your loans or your credit cards or your vehicle finances with, ma'am? Hello?
Yeah, hello. Oh, yeah. What did you just said about the?
Who did you have your loans, credit cards, or your vehicle finances with?
No,
Do you have
didn't have any loan though, or anything like that.
credit cards?
No.
No credit cards.
No.
Did you ever take out previously?
No.
Vehicle finance? Nothing previously. That's paid up.
No, none of that.
And none of that. Do you understand greatly that if you did have previously, even if it was in the past 10 years or 6 years, we'd have been able to assist you in claiming back your hard-earned money that was actually missold to you via PPI. So therefore, I would like you to understand greatly where I'm coming from. Therefore, I'm asking you, do you have, again, loans, any credit cards, or vehicle finance that was missold to you via PPI? Hello?
No, I never took out any loan though.
Credit cards?
No.
All right. Thank you very much for your time. Have a great evening. Bye.
Bye. I hope everyone enjoyed that. It's bloody PPI, so. They're asking me for some prank, so obviously I give them some prank. Now, the number is, this one that rang me is, it's 02070606042. 02070606042. Okay, have a nice day.